Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I'm glad to tell you that right now, right here, Kristin, my friend, an amazing nail instructor from Russia, the champion of many competitions, she is showing you the most beautiful, original, amazing nail design for the summer and suitable also for the autumn. We will apply nails on the polygel and dual forms, and as you can see, our favorite client Luba, she has already destroyed her nails. She works with a coal and everyone knows about it, and we used to fix her nails with products by Shape of Nail. This is the fantastic shop which highest quality products. You can see tutorial by tutorial that Luba's nails staying on for the long time. That means products has the perfect quality, and even the hard worker woman's nails staying perfectly. We have already shown you a lot of tutorials where we transform nails using the sculpting mix gel. This is the same brand but the polygel and dual forms, and we just need to show you to show the differences between these two products. All these two products are good for nail extensions. For example, me, Alexander Stepanov, I prefer using liquid sculpting mix gel products. I mean those products that we can place using the brush on the nail plate. So I train my hand with this product. And the Kristin, my friend, she prefers using the polygel. So these two kinds of nails extensions, perfect. It depends on your qualification and your wishes. It depends on product you have trained your hand on. For example, me, I like using sculpting mix gel and I do it fast. I mean sculpting liquid mix gel. But the Kristin uses the polygel. All these kinds of products are available for free shipping all over the world from shapeofnail.com with good prices, and a lot of tones are available. Right now you see that Kristin has placed the ball of the polygel on the dual form. Place the dual form on the already prepared nail with the gel primer and with the base gel. Curved the nail with the special small UV lamp after she has removed the dual form, and we have now the already sculpted free edge of the nail and nail to the middle. Kristin has removed the dual form and has shaped the nail perfectly. She's placing the next layer of the sculpting mix gel. She uses the cup from the gel polish. She places this cup with a brush into the container with the sculpting mix gel, takes some products and sculpt with this drop the whole nail. This nail design is very easy to apply even if you are the beginner. So you create the painting in your head or Google the picture, so you can open your imagination and create anything you like. But here we're using the base gel of the same brand, the sculpting mix. You can order these amazing products in small containers. There are a lot of acid neon colors like neon pink, neon yellow, and all these products can be mixed on the palette, so you can create any tone you like. You know, containers are very comfortable to use. The cups never flow, penetrates product. You can be closed very properly without any problems and can be carried to any place if you, for example, change your direction and take the products with you. So we apply step by step. At first we take thin brush number 0 or 00, take the small drop of the base gel or the color gel, apply the painting and never wait until the paint flows. We quickly cure the paint using LED lamp, small LED lamp. Then we apply the next layer by the previous one, and using these steps we apply layer by layer. You know, it's very funny, and you know, I like this kind of painting because you do everything quickly and you don't need to wait for a long time until the paint is drying, for like in case with acrylic paint, because you know that acrylic paint becoming dry for a long, you should wait for a long time until it goes dry. But in this case, when we use the gel paint, you don't need to wait, and it's quickly becoming dry, and you can apply the top coat for this layer. You know, I use acrylic paint only with the one stroke nail technique, or when I need to draw something like watercolor effect, or for example very tiny lines like detail paintings. For example, in this painting you can use black acrylic paint to apply the detail painting. I forgot to tell you that we use the top coat on those nails which were drawn with ornament. We have applied the matte top coat, and with this coat it looks much better. You can try it and you'll see that the painting even have some mistakes or troubles. The matte top coat covers all these problems. And now guys, let's take a look what we have now, and let's take a look on the result. If you like this painting, if you like this nail design, don't forget to click that like button, and we do more tutorials for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you can order all these products on shapeofnail.com. The site is already reopened again. We are together about 10 years, and that's amazing that we can provide our best products all countries in the world. See you tomorrow. Bye.